So Keith, what's the plan? It better be a good one.
Plan is, now this may seem suicidal, but to fight him, Nightmare itself.
And how the hell do you suggest we do that?
Answer. What's Nightmare's one weakness?
I don't know, light magic?
Exactly, light.
Oh, of course.
But where the heck are we supposed to get something like that? I mean, you prepped this bunker with light magic and...
There was the bunker without trapping.
I guess we could just shine a flashlight in his eyes.
Light magic, not photons. That won't work.
Oh, very well.
Oh my god. So this is where Nightmare got the Iron Man suit.
Oh, so he has a whole fucking stash of them.
I am Iron Man.
Let's the training begin.
The Wendigo!
What the fuck?
Retire Hunter Banzai!
Now that was fucking sick, but it's entered its second stage.
Yeah!
Wait,
See that, man? I think you took down a Wendigo!
Yeah, man, I saw that shit.
So, what? But that was just a Wendigo. What's the chances I'll be ready to fight, like, the bosses? Like that pterodactyl creature, or that dinosaur that literally was almost blasted us and literally was screeching our ears off.
Nightmare won't use those to attack. No one uses them to intimidate.
Right. Alright, so we've got the armor prepared, we've got our training. Now the next part of this, we need to discuss a plan. Because not only, like, Nightmare's accent has changed, but, like, his eyes have completely changed. They're completely red. Like Hector's when he was possessed.
Oh, that's not bad.
What's going on?
It's too late.
What do you mean? Too late for what?
Wait, too late for fucking what?
Nightmare's found us.
Wait, found...
What do you...
But he's technically you, isn't he? He's technically in your body, so wouldn't he have already found us?
Once I transform, his mind goes back to the Nightmare dimension.
So what does this mean?
Wait, so take...
Basically mean Nightmare's mind escaped the Nightmare dimension and it's found me.
Oh no!
Oh, fuck.
Get in the bunker, get in the bunker. Oh.
You guys stay out of this.
Wait, no, we're not leaving you, man.
Yeah, exactly. We ain't leaving anyone.
Hector,
Can't leave.
Hector, shut the door now.
Fine.
What's fucking going on out there?
Yeah, what's occurring out there? Anything that we should be concerned about? Nothing at all.
Oh no. It's Nightmare. Get down! Get downstairs now!
I recognize that voice.
We gotta get downstairs.
Alright, man. Get the elevator.
Oh my god!
What is it? Shit, he's found us.
Ah, take that, motherfucker! Keith, what's happened?
Wait, Keith?
What's going on out there? What's happening?
Return?
It's not
You're
good.
right, man.
What do you mean it's not good? What's going on?
Nightmare's telling me so.
Oh god.
What the fuck?
Hector, get behind me. Get behind me.
Alright, man.
Alright, man, I wouldn't want to mess with me at this point because I have an Iron Man suit. It's already kicked the crap out of the Wendigo.
It did it to the Wendigo, not to me.
Why are you doing this to us?
Bitch.
You think we're the monsters? No, you're the true monster, Nightmare.
I'm the monster. Or are you the monster?
You're the one who's been trying to kill us.
At least I keep my sanity in check and not killing all those reason.
Yeah,
Suppose he does have a few points here, Johnny.
that's right. I've done terrible things, but not the ones you've done. You've almost killed my friend. You almost took him away. You wiped our memories.
Exactly. As far as I'm concerned, your sins far outweigh ours.
Well, guess what? I don't care.
Oh, so you really are the monster. You said it yourself. You don't give a shit.
Yeah, you're the one who's been trying to kill us since day one.
Exactly.
You know what? Hey, Nightmare. How would you feel if I said this? A deal's a deal.
What are you talking about?
Wait. It didn't work.
What were you trying to do, Johnny?
Summon the dealer. The dealer's reasonable, more reasonable than Nightmare, so I thought it would just have some effect on him.
Well, we can't. Well, we obviously can't spawn him manually.
Well, man, we're just gonna have to prepare for a fight.
I need to stand for 1 second.
You're the killer, Nightmare, not us.
Who's Nightmare, bitch?
Wait,
Wait, what?
Keith? Is that you?
Yeah, I said the last 5 minutes.
Oh my god, Keith, are you okay?
Shh, leave me alone.
Dude, I have a plan. It's a good one.
Is that meant to be some sort of Red Dead reference or some shit?
Okay, I admit it, I've played too much Red Dead lately.
Why can't you guys just shut up for once?
And why can't you stop trying to come and kill us?
Look, man, I know we ripped a hole in reality or whatever, but why the fuck do you have such a personal problem with us?
Yeah, this is getting too personal, man. I mean... Nightmare? Wait. Oh, fuck. We have a problem.
What is it?
My Iron Man suit's gone.
Was Mighty one bitches?
He's disabled your powers!
He took my Iron Man suit!
Fuck.
Hey, cowface. You know, Nightmare, you're a bitch. Know why? Look, why can't you just let the past go? I mean...
Exactly. This was months ago.
It's what? Let me just show you. Look, what your actions are doing.
What the fuck? Like... what the fuck me and Hector actually done? Because I'm so confused right now.
I know, right?
Okay, this is soul sand, correct?
Yeah, it's Soul Sand. This is what the dealer showed us last time.
Yeah, from the last time we checked, yeah, this is definitely soul sand.
Okay, this is what your actions are doing.
Apparently, we're dissolved.
No, what I was doing there, I was using soul sand as representation of realities, universes.
So, like, the universe is dissolving?
No, the whole multiverse is.
The multiverse?
Oh, shit.
Watch me, I'm so pissed off.
Okay, but there is one
I
little...
understand everything now.
But there is one tiny little detail I do not get.
Yeah.
So, if the multiverse is dissolving, then why did you take away our memories? Like, what did that even change? Why did you erase our memories?
Because imprisoning the past imprisons the rip that was keeping that damn bay.
Hold on, didn't you say before we're the same? Technically, you're me, but...
And to protect you, Johnny. You want to end like me.
Yes, just let me go. Just look, let's do the deal again. I'll stay, you let Hector... You let Hector go. This time, let me stay. Let Hector go this time.
Sure about this, Johnny?
That deal's been off for ages.
How long has it exactly been since that deal happened?
11 months ago.
11? Hold on, so you're telling me we haven't been able to remember shit for like 11 months?
10 months.
10 months?
I erased 10 months of your memory, but here's the thing. This little bunker in here is time displacement. You.
Wait, so hold on, so are you saying that this bunker was by you?
I built it to make sure that even if the end of reality came to be, there'd be something left.
Hold on, so was this where you were going to originally put Hector if the deal stayed on?
Yes, but if the beds are complete, it would have been supplied.
Oh, Hector, you lucky sod. You would have literally been rich, man.
Yeah, I suppose I would have been.
Okay, so what about the Keith Walker and the Sergeant Miller and the fact all the forms you changed into?
I used them to deceive all of you. To deceive you. I'm sorry about that. About lying the whole time.
It's fine. Hold on. So if I lost my memory, so if we lost our memories like 10 months ago, so how come my mind made me think I knew Keith for a really long time?
Implanted memories. Tricks up my sleeve.
Hold on, so you're saying the memories I had with Keith were technically fake?
Fabricated. I installed a fake identity within the US government.
So you're saying Sergeant Miller wasn't actually an actual person?
No, I was. I killed him and then took his place.
Why would you do that?
I needed someone who was high up in the military.
See, so you're saying we're the monsters, you're a complete psychopath! You just killed somebody!
Exactly.
And everything I just said went to waste.
For your own damn gain.
You know what, Hector?
What do you want?
How much can you take for a punch?
I suppose.
Hector, I really wouldn't.
I gave you a human level punch. And that's
Very well.
Hold on, so literally, I do have one last question.
Been in a fair amount of fights.
So, in all seriousness, so that experiment, so why did that particular machine bring your universe close to Earth? Why?
someone mixed your DNA into a mixture, which, if you remember what I said, you're technically me and I'm technically you. The bucket that you used to fill up the machine, you cleaned it with your spit.
Oh, I know what's happened now. So, okay, so remember that bucket that we used to try and make the experiment less dangerous?
Oh, yeah, I recall that.
I think I remember accidentally. So, basically, I was
You accidentally what?
I was trying to do a little science experiment with pepper, but I accidentally sneezed some of it, and I think some of my snot and spit went into the bucket.
Oh, for fuck's sake, Johnny.
What? How was I supposed to know that this would resolve in this?
Good point.
Yeah, it's like any good twat would do it.
Wait, so hold on. So why were you interested in Hector? I mean, Hector's just a normal person. Why were you interested in Hector?
It's because I was your accomplice, Johnny. Contributed to it.
Hector, that's nothing to do with it, actually.
Okay, then, why else would you be pursuing me?
Truth is, it's more down to earth than you would expect.
I just missed my old friend.
Okay.
Wait, hold on. So basically you're only punishing him and not Hector?
Forget it. 6.8 million years ago, I was in your exact shoes.
Yeah, don't imagine that. You might depress yourself.
I was standing where you are right now, 6.8 million years ago. Hector was right there, and another version of me existed. And he was standing right here where I am now. I transformed.
That's how you transform. So, to the version of Nightmare that you are now. So he came through the other dimension, so you killed him, so then that's how you became Nightmare?
I'm trying to stop the loop.
Wait. So, are you gonna kill both of us or only one of us?
If I could kill or slash control you, Johnny, loop ends, because it didn't happen in my universe.
Your Nightmare, I do have one small, tiny thing to say. What the fuck is wrong with you?
Well, at least I tried to be.
It's reasonable. You've been trying to kill us since day one.
Yeah, that is fairly unreasonable.
Oh my god. He's gonna kill me!
No, he ain't, Johnny. At least I hope not, anyway.
The truth is, I'm afraid.
Of course. Well, I mean, don't blame me, Johnny. If I was in your shoes, I'd be terrified.
I'm just worried I'll become like Nightman. Worried I'll turn on you or some shit.
We both know that ain't gonna happen, Johnny. I'll stick by you no matter what.
Thank you, man.
No problem, man.
No, Hector. What the
Yeah,
fuck is this?
What the fuck? Where the fuck did that shit come from?
Are you kidding me? Right in the middle of our conversation?
I know, right?
Well, that was me. Anyway, Hector, you are always like a, you really are like a brother to me.
Same here, man. You know that all that ever mattered to me was loyalty.
But I do have one question.
Sure thing,
You
Johnny.
know, after all the things I've done to you and after I killed my wife and the concierge, why is it that you still trust me?
What the fuck? The Wendigo's back.
Well, let me guess. It was just a tester. That wasn't the real Wendigo I killed. That was just a tester I just killed.
Ah, shit.
Hector, get in the bunker. Shut the door. Shut the door.
You're fucking fuck. Shut the goddamn door.
You know what? Let's save this conversation till later. But anyway, back to the plan. It's a
Very
good
well.
one. So anyway, here's the plan.
Yes.
Okay, so I have an idea how to fight you.
What the fuck is that?
Okay, so Hector, here's the plan.
Yes.
Listen. Right, listen. So, I was mapping out places. Whilst we were... listen, I've been mapping out some places on my phone. I know exactly what to do.
Okay, man.
Listen to me. Listen,
Yes.
I have an exact location to fight Nightmare. It's secluded off. There are no people of any kind. No one should get hurt.
Okay, nice.
Listen, it's this old abandoned medieval city. It's completely abandoned. There aren't any people of any kind. We lead Nightmare there. We fight him, and then we finish the job. We kill him.
Okay, then. How the hell are we actually meant to kill him? Once and for all.
Maybe we can find that out once we get there.
Alright, then.
Right. Now, my memory's not that great, but if I can remember correctly, the city is literally down that way.
Okay.
Let's go! To the medieval city! We're gonna be doing it here. It's a secluded place. There are no people of any kind. No one should get hurt. Right, so this is what we're gonna do. Right, so what we also need to do is try and find some weapons. I mean, as you can see, I've lost my Iron Man suit.
Well, that's obvious shit. Where could we possibly obtain weapons?
Well, I mean, I think this is what Nightmare wanted us to do. I think Nightmare obviously wants us to fight him, so we just have to wait till he gets here. And then he'll give us the weapons, then we fight him.
Very well, then.
Now, Hector, listen. The key point is to not get too close to him, because remember last time he took over your mind, he controlled you?
Oh, yeah, I remember that.
So be careful whenever you're around him.
be careful around him too, Johnny. I don't want him disabling your powers.
The problem is, I'm technically Nightmare, but the problem is, why hasn't my powers come out yet?
No idea. You right now, Johnny.
Right. Nightmare! Come on, clown face!
Yeah, where the fuck are you?
I hear you loud and clear.
Yeah, I hear you, but for some reason I don't see you.
Right, so Nightmare, I have a new deal I would like to propose to you. Scrap the old one, I have a new one I would like to propose to you.
What is it?
So, basically, you can change into a whole different variety of forms.
Correct.
So here's the deal. You give us the strongest ones to fight off, and then the deal is, if we win, you have to let us go and leave us alone for good. But if you win, I will turn myself over to you. But Hector gets to leave, okay? Do we have a deal?
We have a deal.
So,
Right.
I ain't been using any weapons, so is it safe to assume that I'm exempt from this battle?
Right.
Just out of it.
Alright.
Very well then.
Let's go, you son of a bitch.